Hello. It's certainly been wet across many parts of the UK recently, and over the last 36 hours, the focus for the rain has been across parts of Scotland, eastern Scotland in particular, and northeast England. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you if you live in eastern Scotland how wet it's been, but running the rainfall radar and satellite image since Wednesday evening, and you can just see when the rain sets in there, this showery stuff initially, and then this band of rain that moved up from the south. And really, with low pressure sitting close to eastern England through this time, we've just seen this strong wind blowing an awful lot of rainfall into northeast England and eastern Scotland, and across some of the higher parts of eastern Scotland, the Grampians. We've seen 100 millimetres, and there's more to come through the rest of Friday, another 50 millimetres in some spots. So an amber warning in force because we're already seeing impacts from that rain. There's more to come, real risk of flooding during the rest of Friday. Elsewhere, it is drier. There's some outbreaks of rain for western Scotland as well, but showers predominantly for Northern Ireland into northwest England, parts of North Wales, as well as southwest England. Away from the showers, towards the southwest, that's where the brightest skies will be. Some sunshine for Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest. And it's a colder day compared with many days that we've experienced recently. 12 or 13 in the south, 9 or 10 further north. But this strong wind continues in the northeast. Gales around exposed coasts of mainland Scotland in the northeast, as well as the Northern Isles, 50, 60 mile per hour wind gusts, or even higher in some exposed spots. Into the evening, and it stays damp for much of Scotland, but the real heavy and persistent wet weather eases away. Some outbreaks of light rain return to the east of England and some low cloud here, but otherwise clearing skies for the west, showers disappearing through the night. And under those clear skies with this cold air in place, it will be a chilly start to Saturday. I think close to zero for southwest Scotland, Wales and the southwest, -3 or -4 across parts of Northern Ireland, and some dense fog patches here first thing. They could take some time to clear. They will clear though as the cloud arrives ahead of this weather system. Now this is the next bout of wet and windy weather making its way in for later Saturday. It comes up against cold air, and so there could be some flakes of snow over the higher part of northern UK. But initially Saturday starts off with light rain for eastern Scotland, eastern England, so less wet but still damp in places, and a cloudy day to come in the east. Further west, brighter skies, a slice of sunshine crossing the country, but by the end of the afternoon we've got that rain returning to Northern Ireland along with a freshening wind. It's going to be a cold day for Northern Ireland after that chilly start, especially where some fog persists through the morning. But where we get the sunshine, 10, 11, 12 Celsius or so, a coldest day for some time, and it looks like it's going to be a little below average in places. That's something we've not seen for a while. But the rain in the west and that strengthening wind will push in by the evening into western Scotland, parts of Wales, as well as the southwest. It'll move through slowly, but most places will experience it overnight, and it's likely to bring some flakes of snow to the tops of the Pennines and the Scottish mountains. Nothing unusual for the time of year, of course, but not something we've seen a lot of this autumn. Weather stays changeable over the next few days. Much more online.